Another bearish week for silver. Last week I have mentioned that once it breaks below 29, 28.80, we can look forward to a stronger slide towards 28 and lower levels. It has moved towards 27.40. Now, can we say that the drop is done, higher lows are done, higher highs are seen? Can we expect a reversal in silver in the coming week, or it is going to deliver third bearish candle here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of this update I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies, so watch till the end. Also, this is the weekly review. I do share my daily updates, daily targets for silver twice a day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, which gives you a fairly good idea for the day on how to trade, where to enter, where to exit. The subscribe and press the do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into 4 hour. See, on the 4 hour chart, silver has formed a very strong base here. You can see none of the candles closed below 2760 levels. So it is very important for it to trade below 2760. Also on the upside, it is just consolidating. See, after the base, it is trying to rise, but it again falling shy of 28 20 zone, which is going to remain a critical resistance for silver for the coming. Now also, if you track the movement for silver, you can see that, and if you look at the movement here, this is the second drop and it is aspiring to move towards 20 period moving average again. Now where the 20 period moving average sitting at 28.30, 28.50, which is going to be the first resistance zone for silver. And remember, this is going to be the ultimate milestone. If at any point of time silver trades above 29.50, consider that as a reversal. As right now I can see that after the crossover, this is trading with stronger bearish momentum here. Look at the stochastic, this is rising, looking upwards. The MACD, if you look at it, has formed a double bottom and willing to cross over. If you draw this, you can see that there is a room available on the upside for silver after this good sharp correction, which suggests that prices can move on the upside. RSI, after staying oversold, trying to bounce, this can lead to a little rise. Coming to now, look at daily chart. See, first important observation here is the crossover in the moving averages, 20 and 50 period. Now, if you observe, where was the last crossover? In fact, the bullish crossover was almost after 4 to 5 months back. And after staying bullish for 4 to 5 months, now silver is crossing over on the daily charts. This is an important event. And now also, if you look at the last candle, higher lows are seen. Very moderate movement is observed here, which also indicates that once it stays beyond 28 and 28.20, the coming candle can be equally big, where it can continue to move towards 28.50 or in fact $29 level. However, another way to look at it is, see, after the drop it is consolidated here and then given a breakout, and right now trading bearish. And also this is the ceiling which it needs to break, which is at 29.50. So whatever it is going to do, should be a retracement, not a reversal. Possibility of it to consolidate in this zone exists here. And another way to look at it, see, it has breached the critical support at 28, which is indeed very critical. Below this, there are a couple of levels available at 27 and 26. These are going to be the key support levels here for the week for silver if it continues to trade. And where it is, if you see silver trading below 27.50 levels in the coming week, consider that we are looking forward to a good round of drop, where we can see it moving towards 27, 26.60 and $26 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD on the daily charts is looking downwards, staying bearish, consistently trading bearish. RSI has also hit the bottom here. Coming to the weekly, now look at the weekly chart. See, first of all, you should notice what silver has done in the last week. Prices were divergent here. I've shared many a times in my previous analysis that it can converge towards the 20 period moving average. Second is the support here at 29 was breached, which was indeed a very good support. Breaking below the support, it has continued to trade bearish. In fact, it has breached below the 20 period and it has closed below the 20 period. That is also a slight bearish side. Now, look at the way, see, after consolidating here for weeks, you can see silver has given a breakout and it was trading in this bullish channel. It has come out of this channel. Now, this indicates there is still further downside available to silver on the charts here. and thus once it stays below 2750, possibility of it moving towards 27 and 26 will be very very high. The next milestone is to be towards 26, but look at the candle sizes here, almost are of same size, and also this candle has left a tail, suggests that the continuation of this movement in the coming week. So first of all, what we have seen on the 4-hour charts, that it is oversold trying to recover, and thus the week might begin with a little retracement where it can possibly move towards 28.40.50 or in fact 28.80 levels, and at those levels it will decide what it wants to do. A break beyond 29 or 29.50 is a complete indication of reversal. Till the time it respects this zone, we should not be treating this as bullish. See, the moving averages are now have flat. Stochastic here is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. If you look at the MACD, now look at MACD crossed over at the peak, trading with divergence, looking downwards. This is the first bearish candle, and we can expect series of bearish candle. Now, what has happened here? Rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace. It is delivering waves, and thus this could be the beginning of the red side of this wave, which also suggests that on the weekly charts there is lot much of downside available, and that is why also I say as long as silver stays below 29.50 levels, do not treat this as bullish. RSI looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. Coming to monthly, see on the monthly charts, this is the second consecutive red candle. It has hit the highs at 32 and has reversed. I have mentioned in my monthly review that it is outside Bollinger Bands, and there is a stronger probability for a correction here. Now, the next three sessions are going to remain crucial, where this current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. Also, if you connect the dots, you will notice that too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge. We have already seen a great breakout. It is trying to retrace a little, but on the monthly charts, look at the $26 levels here. This is going to be the prime support zone, because below this it will again fall back. 26-25 levels below this it will again fall back within this retracement channel, where what we are seeing, it will trade into this zone, hitting the lows at 22. Right now these appears to be a distant observation, because see, it has given a multi-year breakout, and thus we have to watch out more with caution at the current levels here, what it tries to do and where the monthly candle closes. Right now it appears that there is still bearishness available for the next three trading sessions towards the end of the month. Stochastic is staying flat. Now look at MACD. MACD has still lot much of scope on the upside for the rise. If you look at the formation here, rise, then retracement, and if you look at the current crossover, this suggests that there is lot much of room available for silver on the upside. RSI has dropped. So on the monthly chart, silver has lot much of movement available on the upside, but uh, that is just one indication, that is MACD. Rest, if you talk about the candles, on the candles, I can see that possibly we may see a little retracement, even if it has to rise, because $32 levels have become a greater milestone, and with hitting the wall, it is reversed. So it can possibly move towards 26 or 25 very, very soon. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the move here, I will recommend a buy at 28.10. Expect it to move towards 28.30, 40 zone, first resistance. Then the next one is also very, very nearby towards 28.55, and then 28.75. Once it breaks beyond this, I can look forward to $29 levels. Any move beyond 29 in silver is a good sign that we are looking forward to 29.25, 29.50. And if it breaks beyond 29.50, consider that as a reversal. We are again looking forward to $30 levels, $31 levels in the near future for silver. This is something you should keep a mark of. Beyond 29.50, stronger momentum on the upside will be expected, and as long as it stays below 29.50, you should not be treating this as bullish. Prices can reverse, prices can drop. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 27.80, or rather I will say 27.70 levels, below which you can expect. See, 27.70 80 should be a good support, but also on the downside, the support levels here are very nearby. Any break below 27.50 should be a good indication that it is turning bearish, and I will look forward to 27.20, $27 levels as the next target. Any break below 27, just stay bearish. We are looking forward to 26.60, 26.20 levels very soon, and in fact it can trade below this, where $25 levels is the next targets. However, it does not appear to be a feasible target for the coming week at least. So take your positions accordingly. It is, even if it tries to drop, there are going to be good great support available for silver on the downside. Trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships. Do not miss to watch the daily update. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day, trading week ahead, and a happy weekend. Thank you.